Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log in your Exodus wallet. First, simply open the Exodus application on your computer or mobile device. If you've used it recently, your wallet should load automatically. You'll then be prompted to enter your password to unlock it. Make sure you type your password carefully to gain access to your funds and portfolio. It's a straightforward process designed for quick and secure access. If you need to restore your Exodus wallet, you'll use your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial, so keep it safe. When prompted, enter each word of the phrase precisely and in the correct order. This action will fully restore your wallet, giving you access to all your cryptocurrency assets and transaction history. It's a powerful tool for regaining control if you ever lose access to your device. Experiencing login issues? First, ensure your Exodus application is updated to the newest version. Outdated software can sometimes cause problems. Next, verify that your internet connection is stable and active. A poor connection can prevent the app from loading correctly. If problems persist, try restarting the Exodus app or even your entire computer or mobile device. These simple steps often resolve common login glitches. Protecting your Exodus wallet is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share your 12-word secret recovery phrase with anyone. It's the master key to your funds. Always create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if available for an extra layer of protection. For other great deals and the link to those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.